Hello, my friends from YouTube. I thought it was about time I show you my little studio apartment I rent. So this is it. It's all I need. Has a fridge, lots of cabinet space, a water dispenser where I can make noodles and get cold water. Has a microwave. Has a chair, a nice TV, cabinets, nice couch where I can watch my monster movies. Here's a little balcony out here. It's been raining so much, I haven't spent much time on this balcony. It's rainy season, but Candy Towers, Candy Palace. There's another Candy Towers over there. Tiny little balcony. Like I said, I really don't spend much time out here. Got a king size bed, which I really like. Got a nice AC. And then I have this cabinet space that I just love. You can hang the clothes on the right hand side. On the left hand side is more dresser drawers and a safe. And I got more storage down here. More storage over here. And I'll show you the bathroom. It's big enough, has plenty of hot water. Just a hot water heater they use in the Philippines. Some people call it a widow maker. Anyway, that's the CR. And I've been staying here for about a month, and they'll negotiate with you. If the longer you stay, the more they'll negotiate with you. But I like it here. It has a pool, it has a rooftop bar, has a bar at the bottom named Teasbacks. Used to be called Daisy Dukes. So I enjoy my time here. I just thought I'd show you my little studio apartment in Angelic City. And I'll put all the information in the description. Thank you for watching.